members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our Provincial Administrator, Dr. Raul Ibanez, our culture person for gender, Ma'am Alma Rapena, President of EIPGA, Ma'am Iris Penetrante, and our President for Pride Iloilo, Mr. Jello Palmon. Participants who are here this morning, may dayan give nga sa inyo tanan. Vice Governor supposed to be here this morning, pero madamo sa mga obligasyon ang aton Vice Governor, hoping na makaabot siya karon sa hapon, hasta pa man sa hapon ang program natin diri sa Capital Lobby. But Vice Governor Garin wanted to support the program activities of Pride Iloilo. This June, the province of Iloilo proudly joins the nation and the global community in celebrating Pride Month. A time to honor diversity, dignity, resilience of LGBTQIA+ community. And our theme, Pride Beyond the Color. Pride Month is more than a celebration of colorful parades and joyous gatherings. It is a solemn reminder of a long and continuing struggle for equality, acceptance, and respect. It commemorates the bravery of those who come before us, individuals who stood firm against discrimination and fought for the right to live and love freely. Here in Iloilo, we believe that every person deserves to be treated with respect, compassion, and fairness. That is why the Sangguniang Panlalawigan enacted several ordinances to protect the rights of members of LGBTQ in the province of Iloilo, regardless of their gender identity, sexual orientation, or expression. Our province is a home to the vibrant and dynamic LGBTQIA+ community whose contribution in the field of education, public service, health, arts, business, and community development are truly invaluable. As we wave the rainbow flag with pride, let us reaffirm our commitment to inclusivity, equal opportunity, and human dignity for all Ilonggos. Let us continue to build a province where diversity is celebrated, where no one lives with fear or being who they are, where equality is not just a promise, but a reality. We call upon every institution, family, and community to foster an environment of empathy and inclusion. Together, let us make Iloilo a safe and empowering, nurturing home for everyone, regardless of who they love or how they identify. Happy Pride Month, Iloilo! Padayon kita sa pagpakita sa gugma, respeto, kag pag-ululupon. As we join here together this morning, kagina mag-umpisa sa programa, dapat kita nakuya sa atong kaugalingon. We should be proud of ourselves because we are the advocate in the province of Iloilo. Wala sa advocate na nagawiya-uwiya. You should be vocal to promote equality in our province. Thank you very much.